The K9 Thunder 155mm self-propelled howitzer has demonstrated exceptional accuracy by successfully hitting a target at 50 km using the high-precision M982 Excalibur projectile. This test showcased the compatibility between the K9 Thunder and Raytheon's M982A1 Excalibur Ib, a GPS-guided, extended-range artillery round. During the tests, the Excalibur round achieved a circular error of less than 1 meter, proving its precision. In burst altitude mode, another round detonated 5 meters above the target, highlighting the system's ability to engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. The M982 Excalibur, a collaboration between Raytheon Missiles and Defense and Bay Systems Bofors, is engineered for precision strikes with a miss radius of under 2 meters, making it capable of replacing multiple conventional rounds. The Excalibur Ib variant, with enhanced GPS technology and extended range, can engage targets up to 70 kilometers away when fired from modern artillery systems. Raytheon continues to innovate with Excalibur variants like the Excalibur S for moving targets and the naval Excalibur N5, ensuring adaptability across diverse operations. The K9 Thunder, dominating over 50% of the global market for self-propelled howitzers, is equipped with a 155mm L52 caliber cannon, providing a firing range of 18 to 50 kilometers depending on the ammunition type. Its superior mobility, armor, and firepower make it a formidable force on the battlefield.